Yeah. If it's not fine, I can delete, coach. Is it fine? Okay, thank you. Okay. Give us some motivation. We're only looking for motivation here, nothing else.
Motivation is
Yes.
inside.
It's inside. Okay.
The fire is inside.
The fire is inside.
If you don't take the fire from inside, it will never come to you.
Exactly.
Because somebody's fire may be too hot for you.
Okay.
So now you must generate your own fire.
Exactly.
That's it. Motivation is inside.
Yes.
Coach, one English word before you go.
No, you just are ready. You're late. Yeah.
Can't do that, coach.
Oh, no, man.
Yeah. I can go for coach.
Yeah.
All the best
Thank you so
on your
much.
journey right now with Mamelodi Sundowns. We wish you all the best.
Yeah, no, it's
We know there are a lot of conundrums and all that,
Yeah,
but
team said leveled up, so
yes.
we have to up the game again.
okay.
Take the bar even higher.
Exactly. We trust you. We trust you're gonna
That's
do
part
it.
of life.
Yeah.
Look, I'm not.
There's a dictionary, I think. Must be one dictionary.
That's uqalile.
You now interrupted my coach. Yes.
Exactly.
You were saying?
No, so we'll just have to keep working because if you look at the Orlando Pirates, they are here.
Yeah.
Kaiser Chiefs are here.
Yes.
So we cannot afford to slip up.
Exactly.
We have to work extremely hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then Saturday we are ready.
We're going to FNB.
We are going to
And
FNP.
it's a beautiful field.
It is.
And we enjoy beautiful fields.
Yeah, and one thing I like about right now the challenge. I think every team now is actually stepping out from their comfort zone, as you said. Yeah,
Where we at, everybody stands a champ to become a champion.
exactly.
There's enough points for everyone to become champion.
Yes, yes.
So wafa.
Waf.
Exactly.
Coach, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
God bless you also. We love everyone. Tell the players that we love them as well. Let them cool down. Let them cool down. Everyone must cool down, coach.
The most important is work.
Exactly.
Mintiro.
Ayibulabula.
Ayibulabula.
Kesini wana man.
Can't just
Sharp.
Happy coach.
Ay, boom. Hold on. Ay, boom.